We'll guide you through how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate, as you can then go and start getting donations. If you find this useful and you manage to go and use this video successfully, then make sure you consider subscribing and liking the video. By the end, you're going to have a Game Pass or even multiple on your stand. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you can do is you'll go and see unclaimed here. You can come up to that and you can hold E to claim it or click there. You can see at the moment I already have a Game Pass. You may currently have none. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and do this. To get started, we need to come and close out of Roblox. So we're going to go and close it like so. Now, what you need to do is you need to come to the Roblox site. So open a web browser, whether that's Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, it doesn't matter. Search for roblox.com and come to the site and go and sign into your Roblox account. You can see I already am here. Now, what you need to do is we're going to need to come to the top and you need to go and find the option for create. As you can see, there it is. You can find that on the homepage as well, though. It doesn't matter. So go and click there and you should get brought to a page like this. If it looks different, just go and look in the URL address bar. Make sure it says create.roblox.com. You're then going to be brought here. And what you can then do is come over to the left and you need to find the option for creations. Wait, now by default, everybody is going to go and have a place here. It should be called something like your name and then place. So what you can then do is go and click on it like so, and you're going to go and be brought here. Now, what you need to do is come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for monetization. So you can go and click there like so. This opens up and you then need to go and find the option for passes. Click there. You can then come down and you can find the option for create pass and click on it. Now you have the option to upload an image if you want. You don't have to though, and type in a name. I'm going to go and name this the Guide Pass. Add a description if you wish, and you can then press create pass. Because of how this works, the person who donates is ultimately going to be purchasing this. So name it something cool if you want, and you can then go and press create pass. Now, for it to go and appear on the stand, we need to go and put it on sale. So you'll be brought back to this list, and you need to go and click on it. Go to the left and click sales and you can switch on item for sale. For the price, this is going to be the donation button. So if you want a button for 20, type in 20. What we're going to do here is I'm just going to go and turn off enable regional pricing and we can then go and press save changes. So now it's going to be appearing on the stand. What I'm going to do is just come and return to Roblox just so I can go and show you this. So here we are back on the Roblox site and come back to please donate. I'm just coming to go and claim a stand here, and as you can see, we've now added that button there. You can repeat this and go and add more. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again for Roblox and many other topics as well.